Okay, dear friends, today we will be discuss the Bayes theorem. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the total probability, and now today we will be discuss the Bayes theorem. It is very important from your exam point of view. Always come the 6 marks question in your CBSE exam of class 12. Yes, what is the Bayes theorem? Suppose if E1, E2, En are the non-empty events are constitute a sample partition of a sample space S. E1, E2, En are the pairwise disjoint. So simply we want to say that E1, E2, En are the exhaustive and mutually exclusive events. Okay. So by the if we want to find out the conditional probability of E1 here, if we find out the conditional probability of E1 when A has already occurred, then by the formula of by the conditional probability of E1 upon A, या conditional probability of E1 when A has already occurred, that will be equal to probability of E1 intersection A upon probability of A. In the previous lecture we already discussed how we can find out the total probability of A, that is called the PA. Yes, in the by the multiplication rule we know that it will be equals to P E1 into probability of A upon E1 upon probability of A. So here we can see here P E1 upon A equal to probability of E1 intersection A upon probability of A. So if we find out the E1 into A, so that will be equal to PA into P1 into A. So P E1 intersection A equal to probability of A into probability of E1 upon A. This is the multiplication rule of probability. This is called the multiplication rule of probability. Yes, so here we can see probability of E1 when A has already occurred. This is called the conditional probability of E1. If we find out the conditional probability of E2 when A is occurred, so in place of E1 that will be a E2. If we find out the En up to so on, so if we generalize this formula, then this will be equal to probability of Ei upon A, probability of Ei upon A equal to probability of Ei into probability of A, conditional probability of A when Ei has already occurred, and that will be equal to Pa. So this is the proof of this formula of Bayes theorem. How we can solve it? Now we can see in a very easy way we can solve it. Hence proved. This is the formula for Bayes theorem. So with the help of this formula of Bayes theorem, we will be solve the question. Okay, thank you all of you.